आमी येशात त्या वेळा जाल्यार सगळी ग्रीनरी दिसताली ग्रीनरी मागीर तुमकां खबर आसा तें सांगपाक काय नाका एज्युकेशन आयलें हें आयलें तें आयलें मागीर लेबर म्हारग जाले आनी कितें पीपल हॅव ऑल्टरनेट सोर्सीस ऑफ इनकम प्रत्येक घरांतलो एक एकटो कामाक लागलो कितें जालो अदर सोर्सीस ऑफ इनकम बट इवन देन म्हणजे म्हजी जी पिढी आशिल्ली न्ही सो म्हाज्या वयाचे म्हजे फ्रेंड सुद्दां ते कितें करताले आदीं जून जसो म्हयनो लागलो की 15-20 दीस लिव्हीर वताले आनी येवन आपलें शेत केलें दे यूज टू वर्क इवन गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट आसूं कोणूय आसूं ते काम केलें ओंपलें बिपलें मागीर गेले ते परते मागीर ऑक्टोबरान हें करच्या वेळा परते लीव काडटाले आनी ते करताले बट टुडेज चिल्ड्रन पण मागीर हळूहळू कितें जालें
पयलीं कितें जातालें ते हें आहा न्ही त्याची जवळ आमी आतां फिक्साक कशें दवरता तशें तें शेत रोयलें की ना एका वर्साचें जेवण तुका सामकें हें म्हणून तें आतां फुडलें सांगता
इतले जर मागीर वांयगण करताले लॉट ऑफ रबी क्रॉप म्हणजे आमचे यू सी दीस टोपोग्राफी दीस इज कितें म्हणटात ताका आमी
फ्लड प्लेन ना
नो नो दीस इज
रिवर बेसन
ना ना कितें म्हणटात पळय हांगा पावस पडटा तो जिल्लो हांगा नॉट एक्झॅक्टली देर इज अ वर्ड फॉर दॅट एनीवे आय फॉरगॉट फिडींग समथींग सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग ते उदक जिल्लें हांगा कितें हाज्या पायथ्याक सगळ्यो तळयो आसात जे अप्पर एरिया ऑफ फुर्जो आतां हें हाका नदीक तेकून पळय जें आसा वॉट एवर इज देर दॅट खाजन इज मोस्टली खार लँड बट एज यू कम क्लोजर टू द hill then it becomes a good land where you can put other varieties खार लँडान फक्त कोरगूट घालूंक जाता
special varieties of rice for salt
but as you come up closer to the there are so many म्हणजे तुम्ही सगळे जर तळयो काडच्यो must be about 1000 तळयो आसतल्यो तळयो बांयो where people used to do रबी वांयगण शेती खूब आसली आनी वारवे म्हणजे वेजिटेबल वीच म्हणजे आमी हांगासून चोडणेसून आदी चिलीस आनी हो कानो पातेमारी म्हणजे आदी व्हडी व्हडले व्हड्यांनी करून खंय वळटाले इट वॉज बींग टू सांताक्रूज फीस्ट यू नो द पणजे फीस्ट पुरुमेताचे फेस्त म्हणटाले आनी हांगा म्हापसा
there's a kind of provision before the monsoon so you stock up and you keep it for the monsoon
वाले आसा मिरची चड मिरची आनी कानो
chilies and onions
त्या वेळा कितें नुस्तें बिस्तें पळय आनी ताल्ले हे ते बांगडे बिगडे ताजे सारे तेन्ना
yeah there was so much of it
organic त्या वेळा कोण खारे हे बी घालता
extra fish used to go as fertilizer
extra fish used to go for the मागीर रातचे कोले कुई 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 आवाज very pleasant तर
the foxes have vanished no even in our village
now also you can't hear आदी
earlier you could hear foxes in the night
कोल्ले कुई सुरू जाताली आता आयकूंक येना पण आता मोर बी राहिले आता
peacocks
my property there are 4 peacocks early morning they come near the house
that is also probably because disruption of their habitat
probably they have migrated from Karnataka
oh no the disruption of their habitat also is called the problem
so मागीर ते आता हे वांयगण म्हणटा ते टोटली बंद जाला दुसरे कितें जालें खाजणां आनी तातूंत मागीर आनीक आमचे फ्लॉस इन द टेनन्सी एक्ट मागीर हें जें जालें फिशा बद्दल लोकांक म्हणजे तातूंत वेस्टीड इंट्रस्ट सुरू जाले लोकांक हाजे भितर बांद फोडप आनी तें हें करप आनी उदक खारें घेवप पितप नुस्त्याची तातूंत लॉट ऑफ वेस्टीड इंट्रस्ट आनी त्या मुळे नुस्तें हाजे पेक्षा नुस्तें चड पळय and few people in fact
so they break the bunds and they
few people actually
harvest fish from there
making money they take all the other people for a ride and ताजे कारण म्हणजे आमचे flaws in our system law पळय आसा की ती बदलपाची खूब गरज आसा तातूंत you have to make this cognizant आसा ही शेतां पळय खाजनाची न्हय ही सगळी कोमनीची शेतां but now
they are not the owners and these guys are not the owners neither one no it's not anyone's stake
त्यामुळे मागीर कितें जालें खूबशे पाड उरूंक लागले आनी वयले पळय जे मुळयो बिळयो आसा त्यो तर पाडूच उरल्यो कारण कितें आसा बिकॉज ऑफ वॅगरीज ऑफ मॉन्सून ते मळयो बिळयो करप इट वॉज नॉट इकॉनॉमिकल आनी पावस आतां कितें आदले भशेन जायना
मळयो म्हणजे
हायर अपलँड्स So many of these uplands on the way we must have seen, they are not been
they are not being cultivated.
but they are very suitable for like you will be going to Pais property. It was probably earlier a paddy field,
I see.
but here and my here also it was a paddy field upland.
Yeah.
But due to these uplands, if there is no rain for 15 days, all your paddy can go dry if there is no water supply.
I see.
So it is better to put their cashew, mango, which I have done, and Mr. Pai also has done. Viable is that you get a cash crop.
Correct.
And so many of these have. But there is lot of scope more. Other people have just kept barren. हे जाल्ल्यान हय चड जाल्या ही परिस्थिती त्यामुळे हय इट हॅज गो एस्केलेटेड
Got from bad to worse.
आणि आता कितें जालां चिल्ड्रन आर दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड यंग पीपल
It's not fashionable anymore. Yeah,
not respected profession. Agriculture is not a respected profession. You ask any girl whether you will marry a farmer, she will say no. Who will soil the
hands? Unlike in Kerala, where every inch of land is kept green in that sense, no, in places like Kerala.
And I was talking to the Assistant Director of Agriculture, Amansu Fernandez, and he's saying in Maharashtra, the first thing they check when they're getting their daughters married, how many buffalo do they have? Because no matter what the son turns out to be, as long as there's buffalo, I can be sure my daughter will not go hungry.
Like
There'll be ghee, doodh, everything else.
I read in Haryana,
I am having
Haryana it seems, after they got gold medal and all,
Plant.
everybody wants their son or daughter to take gold medals.
No, I tell you
Yeah,
my
Haryana,
story.
people are very...
I am a son of a farmer, grown up with the farmer and this, but from the farmer I became to the post of deputy collector, assistant chief, like all these things I have done even by doing all this job.
Yes.
Now my son is a LLB, my daughter is already married, and now some proposals are coming for him. Even today, yesterday had come. And after inquiring everything okay, then they said that no, he is having buffaloes, he is having this, who will
Take care of
take care of it, and I have to do all the things. No. 3 proposals have been. This is a fact, I am not telling.
So it's a disqualification in that sense.
It's a disqualification.
Because I have to do the
Work.
Then in the 5 o'clock in the
It is
morning.
the other way around. In Maharashtra, it's a qualification. If you have buffaloes, they will say, please take my daughter, like that.
And previously, when the person who is having buffaloes, then they were thinking they were rich people.
Yeah.
Because everything, milk, then
Everything is
Self-sufficient.
self-sufficient.
No, even in our case, आमच्या आता ह्या
But now
समजा
this is,
सगळ्या असतं
this
आमच्या
is the
हातून.
position now. I tell you.
त्या फळा आलं त्या फळा
You will see
भिंडा
my
असायला
son
भिंडा
Now, in order
Narala,
for
sagळ्या.
your son to get married, you will have to
So,
tell you have another
what
person.
we are saying is
That is not economically
even
valued,
after,
unfortunately.
even after doing all their other jobs,
Yeah.
they can still look after their ancestral land. That is what we want people to do.
Unfortunately, no economic value is put on these things, tefla and all that. No, it's not.
You are working. You are going to source of income.
Yeah.
Why don't you spend a part of it to
Be a
develop that
part-time
land?
farmer. Don't
Be a part-time farmer. Don't be a
yeah.
full-time. But do something. Let it be green.
In the back.
Yeah,
Initially
connection
for
should be
few
there.
years.
Front
आता
part,
किती
front
झाला
part.
लोकांना क्विक मनी इज मोर
पण
इम्पॉर्टंट.
आता आमो झाला
This
55
is-
आणि 60 रुपया एका दिसान जायना ते.
If there is a
पण आता
person
ते
who
म्हणतात
has
की नाही,
got
आम्ही रोयले आले,
the
आमचं मिळतं
entrepreneurship,
Yes.
he can also do good agriculture, and look after himself.
आणि आता सगळीकडे गैरसमज झाला
हा.
शेता म्हणजे खर्ची मनीस मिळाला.
People don't understand.
Also, these are
that.
values. It has to do with values and
Yeah,
fashions,
and
no?
secondly, what happened? The land, piece of land, can look after generations.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Whereas your
Anything else, money will go. Will lose its value.
Yeah.
मांजरे एरियेक आता
And what
लोकांनी
happens-
शेता विकल्या
तेच म्हणतो.
एका देवानी crores.
No, here
पण
also
आमच्या
same
सारखे
thing
काय आसा
happened.
रे तुका हांव वयर काडना म्हजो एक तो मेवणो आहा तो इंग्लंडाक आहा आनी दुसऱ्या हांकां ताणें व्हेले आनी म्हाका सांगलें तुका आपूण इंग्लंडाक व्हरून हाडटा आनी हाडपाचो शेड्या काडून जाल्यार हांव सांगलें सगळें येता म्हणून म्हजे एक म्हणजे 2 म्हशी आहा तांचे म्हणलें तिकेट काड तूं आनी म्हजे सगळे बसल्या रे हाका सगळे म्हाकाच पळयता ना म्हणलें तूं जर ती रिटर्न तिकेट काडटा हांव तांचे बरोबर येता आनी
So it means, sometimes you have to, of course, sacrifice certain things for this, agriculture. Yeah.
आणि बांदूनय उरता नाही.
Yeah.
तांकां कोण पळयतलो तांकां तांचे फॅशन इतले आहा ती मन जाती तांकां उलोवंक कळना पूण तुजेर इतलो आतां तुमी म्हज्या घरा कडेन येत न्ही म्हाका सामको येवन ते हे करता तुमकां पळयना फुडें ते फो म्हजे सर येतले आनी फो म्हणजे एक सांगता हेकू म्हणे कित्याक आयले हांगा अशें पूण ते कोणाक कळटा तूं आतां सकाळ फुडें जर शेतान हातून वचत तुका ते झाड आहा ते तुजे कडेन उलयता आज आपणाक उदक घालूंक ना आज आपूण उपाशी आहा बरें उदक घालून हे ते सांगता आज आपणाचो भटकार आयलेलो आपण पळयला सगळे पूण तुकाय ताजें हें कळटा म्हणजे तूं आतां बेठो गेलो म्हणून कळटा
Actually very pleasant to move in your.
They almost are communicating, your animals and plants. No?
So what we want is to at least people take interest back.
तू घरा कडेन
They
आयलो
should- they should
सुण्याक
know,
कितें
and to
आयलें.
provide them technology,
Which is very
to
crucial.
provide them support in the sense, because when we are organized,
Yeah.
you will see that everybody runs to us, then all departments, agriculture, ICR,
Yeah, that's
everything
true.
will come.
They'll come.
Farmers Club, we are having this program, you come and
Yeah.
what help you require. So when you are organized, what happens? Sometimes other single farmer sometimes think, taka kire dista, are apnang the kon payana.
System is too big. System is too big.
So I will not believe. But when he is a member of the Farmers Club, he is always
Unity
welcome.
is strength. Unity is
He
strength.
is always welcome.
सोडणेचें नांव वर्ड
आणि कोणी तुका हे करिना
काशीनाथ माले म्हणून आतां कोणी जर विचारीत न्ही तूं खंयचो हांव म्हणटा सोडणे काशीनाथ मालेल्या घरा कडचो काय म्हणटा ही वॉज ए वायस चान्सलर ऑफ दिल्ली युनिवर्सिटी आनी हांगासर
Manipur. Manipur.
मणिपूर इवन इंदिरा गांधीचें हें ताका 24 hours ओपन आशिल्लें बाकीच्यांक कोणाक मेळना पूण इतलो तो हे आशिल्लो तो कोणी विचार जालो तशें आतां हाजे खातीर आमचे फार्मर्स क्लब म्हणल्यार आमचें नांव हांगा पावलें पयच्या पेपराचेर हे म्हाका सकाळ फुडें सगळ्यांचो फोन संडे हाजे नवीन
And I
टायम्साचेर
tell you, this is the kind of pride that
from that-
farmers must have. That look, we've done something.
Yeah.
People are noticing, and there's
People are
and
fascinated
everybody,
with the
when
casino.
you have a Farmers Club, no,
should-
you see, आमकां केन्ना केन्ना दिसता the bureaucracy is apathic, कितें अशें म्हणजे आसता तशें नासता. You have got, they come
They
and
help.
actually say they help.
and you know we've really
All
seen
sorts of help
a
they
lot of
give.
assistance we've got from every department we've approached.
आमी कितें करता आमचे ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स आसता केन्ना पयले कितें स्किम्स आसता कितें आसता आतां समजा कित्याक कोणें आमच्या शेतकाराक हांवें जर समज धाडलो हांवें ताका धाडलो म्हणल्यार झोनल एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिसरा कडेन आमचो सदां न्ही जाल्यार ताका एक बरो वेलकम मेळटा थंय आनी ताजी कामां बिमां सगळीं रोखडी जाता सो दीस इज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द हे कळ्ळें न्ही आमगेर आमी आतां ट्रॅक्टर घेतला आनी कितें फार्म मशिनरी वी हॅव टेकन दॅट इज बिंग फक्त कितें आसा थोड्योश्यो ह्यो वेस्टेड इंट्रस्ट भितर घे जाल्यार ते जरा जावपा जाय बट दीस ऑल्सो क्रिएट्स एन इम्प्रेशन मागीर कितें जाता अरे ते करतात कितें म्हणून मातसो भंय आसता मागीर देन पीपल
It's a deterrent.
थोडे कडेन आतां माडेला बिडेला ते आतां लोक पीपल आर स्टार्टेड कल्टिवेटींग मोर देन वॉट दे वर डुईंग अर्लियर बिकॉज ऑफ दीस हे आनी दुसरे हेवटेनूय आतां ते बांद बीन सारके करून सोदता प्लस मशिनरी आसली की ना नाल्यार सरकारचे ट्रॅक्टर विक्टर मेळपाक खूब हें जाता सो इफ यू हॅव मशिनरी यू कॅन गीव देम बट वी हॅव अ लॉंग वे टू गो वी डोंट से दॅट वी हॅव अचिव्ड एनीथींग मच बट वेन यू किंडल दॅट म्हणजे तो एक खिणगी जशी पडली की ना
Spark.
की मागीर स्पार्क दॅट स्पार्क कॅन बिकम ए
Fire.
Fire.
United mind.
people are thinking in terms of that this can be made profitable or this has to be done. So still that lure of big money is there.
Yeah.
People want to sell. And
true.
asa, no doubt.
But you know, I also find there is a
People
certain
nowadays आदले लोक कितें विचार करताले हांव पळय झाड हांव पळय झाड लायता न्ही ते ही वॉज तो आदले मनशाचो सदां एवरी टायम इट वॉज हे दॅट आय एम प्रोटेक्टिंग दीस प्लांट नॉट फॉर मी
For my
फॉर
children.
माय चिल्ड्रन
They had sayings. They had sayings also, no?
आदलो आंबो न्ही आदी आमी जे आंबे पळय कलम करताले थंय ते त्या मनशाकूच खावंक मेळत म्हूण नाशिल्ले कित्याक ते बरे 15-20 वर्सां लागताली व्हडले जावन ताका आंबे लागपाक फॉर एग्जाम्पल म्हाज्या हातून जे कांय झाडां ती म्हाज्या आज्यान पणज्यान आनी बापायन घाल्ली म्हणून आज आमी खाता
Multi generation plan.
नाव तुमकां 3 वर्सांनी आंबे लागता कलम लायले जर 3-4 वर्सांनी यू कॅन गेट सो
And is it true that Kalam grafted plants need more water? Is it true?
No, it
grafted.
requires, these
It requires
grafted
more-
plants that
yes.
now are there,
3 years you have to take care.
they
After
are
3
more
years, no need of
susceptible
any
to diseases,
Why?
because they are scientifically done. I
You see,
don't know
they
what
are
it is.
bred
Yeah.
for certain characteristics of fruit.
yeah.
They
I
are
see.
not bred for their resilience.
And not
or
nature
for-
bred also.
Yeah, so when you
whereas
take a
आमच्या
seed,
हांगा बरे
then whatever the
बागात ना,
the genetic
पयलींची जी
expression
झाडां
happens,
पळय
it
ते
is
कितें करताले
suited for
थंय
that
तें
area.
घालप आनी ताका कलम
So
करप आनी लोक
when you only breeding for big size
Correct.
fruit, you
Correct.
forget whether
Correct.
it is resistant to pests,
Okay.
whether it is going to be a big tree, whether it's going to be, all those characteristics are not important.
ताका रोड काय लागना तांकां कळ्ळें पण हे पळय आतां काजू सुद्दां पळय काजू कलमी काजू आणि हे काजू आमचे फरक ह्या काजूक हे लागना. ऑफकोर्स कलमी काजू तुका इनकम हे
So you
चड
know what
मेळटा.
happens is these local
But
varieties
they
they
are
don't need to
susceptible
put
to disease.
pesticides on them because they are so resistant. The ones that are bred for more yield or bigger size or whatever, then they are weak in other aspects. Then you have to give more fertilizers. Then you have to
Just
give.
like Amul boy story.
What?
Teen boy.
Ah.
Natural milk.
Natural milk. Same thing. Same thing.
पूण नॅचरल मध्ये ते लॅक्टोजन हे ते आयले न्ही. आतां हांव बी आहा ते आवयच्या हाजेन दूध पियला. पूण आतांचे भुरगे आहा ते लॅक्टोजनाचे. हांव काम करता ताजे अशें हात करीत जाल्यार तो मोडटा. बिकॉज आनी आतां दे आर अगेन टेलिंग दे गो टू द मदर
breast milk is good.
मिल्क मागीर ह्यो मदर